Hello there. In this video, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of listing and selling digital products on eBay. This is an exciting opportunity for anyone looking to tap into the vast digital marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions to help you get your digital goods in front of millions of potential buyers. First things first. You need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay, don't worry. Simply click on the Create an Account option. Here, you can choose between creating a personal or a business account by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is set up, you're ready to dive into the world of digital sales. Selling digital products on eBay can be a highly rewarding venture. One of the biggest advantages is the platform's massive customer base, which provides a significant reach for your digital offerings. With millions of buyers browsing eBay daily, your listings will gain substantial exposure, potentially leading to increased sales. eBay not only supports the sale of physical goods, but also allows sellers to diversify by offering digital products such as eBooks, software, music, or digital artwork. This opens up new markets and caters to diverse customer preferences. Plus, digital goods come with minimal production and shipping costs. Once created, they can be replicated and delivered instantly to buyers, resulting in higher profit margins. Now, let's get started on how to list your digital products. Navigate to the Sell option, which you can find on the upper right corner of your eBay dashboard. Click on List an Item from there. It's crucial to ensure that your product type is allowed on eBay. The platform permits the sale of specific digital products like eBooks, digital art, software, and music downloads. However, be mindful of restrictions on certain items, such as codes for unlocking content. Reviewing eBay's policies will help ensure your product fits within their guidelines. When starting your listing, select the appropriate category for your product. For instance, if you're selling eBooks, you'll find categories like ebook readers or ebooks in PDF format. Choose the one that best fits your item. If your product is music related, you might select options like music NFTs or other formats that apply. If your niche is very specific, you can continue without a category match. Next, specify the condition of your item as a digital good or digital product. Fill in as much information as possible about your item. This includes the creator's details, genre, and any unique attributes such as the edition number, if applicable. Adding comprehensive details not only provides clarity to potential buyers, but also enhances the chances of a successful sale. Uploading eye-catching photos is essential. Buyers appreciate seeing all details and angles of the product. You can upload images directly from your computer or drag and drop them into the listing. When it comes to pricing, you have the option to set a fixed price or allow offers. Decide whether you want to set a minimum price. For instance, you might choose to start at $50 per download and adjust according to your market research and competition. Scheduling your listing can also impact its visibility. It's generally recommended to start and end listings in the evening to maximize exposure. You can select a specific date and time for your listing to go live. Since digital products don't require physical shipping, they can be delivered conveniently through eBay's selling tools or third-party digital delivery services. Popular options include Dropbox or Google Drive, which securely host and deliver your digital content to buyers. Finally, review your listing. Ensure all details are accurate and compelling. Once satisfied, click on Save and Sell Now. If you encounter any issues or have questions, eBay's customer service is available to assist you. You can browse help topics or contact them directly for further support. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to list and sell digital products on eBay. I hope you found it helpful, and I'm excited to see you succeed in your digital selling journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. See you in the next video.